YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an updated skincare routine and I'm doing it now because I actually have the video clip showing you guys step by step what I do. If you've been on my channel for a really long time, I struggled with my skin for many years. Until 39 or so, when I started Googling and researching things that I could use to help with my skin. And I was watching so many different videos. And this is what led me to pretty much my skincare routine now. And it's been amazing. It's helped my skin so much. My skin glows more. Texture issues are really kind of going away. So it's not perfect, but it defeats what it used to be before. Because before I was just really frustrated. Like during the time of the month, my breakouts were out of control. Now I get like 1 or 2 and that's it. And it's just been so awesome. Like I can't even believe it. And another thing is I got 2 comments, I think one on TikTok and one on Lemonade, another app that I post on. Somebody was like, oh my God, girl, you look young. You don't look your age. What are you using? And I could come on here and lie and say that, oh, I'm using all this product. That's what's keeping me young. Girl, it's just good genetics. I have good genetics. My sister does not look her age. She's in her 50s. She looks like she's 20 something. It's genetics. That plays a big role. But this is pretty much a skincare routine that's very simple. I've noticed that when I stopped using acne products and kept my skincare very simple, my skin started behaving better. So I'm like, okay, I'm not changing anything. I'm not fixing something that's not broken. All right, I've talked too much. Let's get started. So the first thing I do is, of course, put water on my face. And then I will use, okay, things are behind me here. I will use this cleanser. This is the Roche posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. This guy right here. Something is in this that really helps my skin. It's for sensitive, it's soap-free, sulfate-free, and all that good stuff. And when you use this, it really cleans your skin, but it doesn't strip it. It leaves it really moisturized. So that's the first step. I apply that. And next thing I'll do is follow up with a brush. You can get any brush that you have. This one has battery. So I go in and just scrub and scrub and scrub. Once I rinse, I dry my face with a paper towel. I try not to use towels on my face because that's another thing that I know is when I used to use towels on my face, even if they were separated just from my face, my skin would start acting up. So I stopped that. So I usually just dab with a towel paper, do that. And once it's dry, I kind of know like, okay, if my skin is going to need the next thing, which are these guys. This is the niacinamide serum or the discoloration serum. These 2 guys. So I switch. I use one here and then the next day I use a different one. So I switch in between every single day, depending on what my skin is doing. So if I'm doing like during my period, I make sure that I use the discoloration serum because I know I'm going to have a breakout 1 or 2. When my skin is just kind of regular, it's behaving well and stuff like that, I go with the niacinamide cream. So serum. What am I saying that? So that's what I really do. I just switch them depending on how my skin is looking like, how my skin is acting. Once a week, I use Ives scrub. I've been using this for years. It's one of the best scrubs out there and it's really cheap. It's becoming harder to find for some reason, but it's one of the best scrubs ever. It's supposed to be an apricot scrub. I use this twice a week only because, you know, scrubs are really drying and strips the skin. So I only use it twice a week. And it's really helped with the glow of my skin, the texture, the smoothness, and stuff like that. So that's that one right here. Okay. Once in a while, if my skin starts going crazy, like maybe I left something on my face or I slept somewhere like on a pillow and my skin is just out of control, once I cleanse my face, I will follow up with this. This is Witch Hazel Toner for face and body. It's supposed to help with oily, irritated, damaged, or blemished, inflamed skin. So if your skin is just going crazy, it's a lot of redness, a lot of weird stuff happening to it, use this because it has a way of balancing your skin. So you can use this right after cleansing and just really use a cotton round or something and just go in and really clean it out. That's what I was doing in the video right there. Okay. The last thing that I do is this baby. I found this baby through TikTok. This lady that was over 40. She did not look her age and she told a lot of people to go ahead and get this. Like this is going to be a game changer for you and I believe her. I'm telling you, this has been the best moisturizer ever for my dry skin. It's soft, it softens and soothes and it's good for skin and hair. I use this and I apply it. Sometimes I missed it. Sometimes I put like 5 pumps on my hand and really apply as I'm doing in the video. And really go on my neck areas and under eye, this area right here. It's something about this that helps with aging. Because I remember she mentioned that it's going to keep your skin looking toned. it's going to keep you looking younger and stuff like that. I agree. Something about glycerin and rose water mixed together, it just has a way of helping your skin just calm down, and it just keeps you looking glowing and younger. I really swear by this. This is one of the reasons why a lot of people are telling me, oh my gosh, you look younger. It's on top of my good genetics. It's definitely this. This has been a game changer for me. So once I do all that, I just go ahead and rub that in. And that's pretty much my skincare routine. It's nothing complicated. It's very simple. But over the past two to 3 years, it's really, really helped my skin just become way, way better. You know, it's not perfect, but from what it used to be, guys, like I'm so glad for TikTok. I'm so glad for Google and all that stuff, because finally I don't really need to go to a dermatologist per se to try to get tretinoin, because I cannot get my hands on it, like I've said in other videos, when I want to, because of my insurance. So I'm telling you guys, this was a game changer. All right, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have you guys tried some of these products? Have they worked out for you? How do you like them? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.